Hi again, friends. It's Sharon from Mad Paper Crush here. And today I'm just bringing you a little extra video to talk to you a little bit about Creative Retreat Live, which I am so excited to be doing a class in. So it is hosted by Peggy Dean from the Pigeon Letters, and I was invited to teach a class during this retreat. So let me tell you a little bit about the retreat, and then we'll go into what I am making. So the Creative Retreat Live is a retreat that runs online from February 24th to March 5th. So that's this Thursday until March 5th. And it is free while they're running it. So you can sign up and register for free and watch during these classes between February 24th and March 5th for absolutely free. And this is where you can go to sign up, madpapercrush.com/retreat journal, to get your seat and just be able to go to any of the classes you want. The schedule is out here so you can see when things are going to be playing, so that you can pop in whenever you would like. The retreat itself has over 75 classes and over 75 artists, because there are so many artists teaching different things. So some of the things that you'll get besides what I'm going to be doing here are things like hand lettering and calligraphy, bookbinding, watercolors, alcohol inks, using alcohol inks, making art using Procreate, string art, wood burning, using your social media, upcycling things for your home decor and things like that. There's just a plethora of things. So I can't even name them all because there's just so many. So go to this link, check it out, sign up for your spot so that you can join us live. And like I said, it's totally free while you're watching it. And there will even be a replay for 24 hours. So if you want to watch something on a Saturday, but you're busy, you'll have 24 hours to watch that class before it goes away. And if you would like what we're calling permanent vacation, which is all the lessons to watch whenever you want, forever into the future, it's $99 until we start the retreat on Thursday. So that's sort of the early bird pricing. So it's only $99 for those over 75 classes up until Thursday. And then when the retreat starts, the price does actually go up for that permanent vacation. It's $197. But the other thing to remember is that you don't have to buy it at all. You can join me for free for the entire time that we're live. So I hope that you'll go to this link. So go into your browser and go to madpapercrush.com/retreat journal, and you can join me at this fun retreat. I did one last year as well, and it was so much fun. There were so many people online while the classes were running. You can talk to the artist, you can ask questions. Most of the time the artist is right there with you during the class. Some of the classes will be pre-recorded. So for instance, mine's pre-recorded. So but I'll be there live. So I'll be talking on the pre-recorded video, but then I'll be in the chat so that we can talk to each other, get to know each other. You can ask me questions about the project as we go and that kind of thing. And some of the other classes will actually be live. So you'll be getting it with the artist there actually doing the teaching live. So there's a lot going on, and they've tried to spread the classes out over different times so that they'll be available to people around the world. Because the last one they did, they realized people were watching from all over the world, and so they wanted to be sure that there would be classes at reasonable times for just about everybody as best as they could. So go to madpapercrush.com/retreat journal, check out the schedule, and then sign up for your free seat in the class while we run from February 24th to March 5th. And my class, just so you know, is going to be on March 3rd, which is a Thursday, and it's going to be at 3 p.m. Pacific time, which is 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is where I am. I'm in Eastern Standard Time. So I hope that you'll join me, but let's take a look at what I'm going to be making. So this is what we're going to be making. We're going to be making a refillable bullet journal cover. So I've recently kind of gotten back into bullet journaling, and I love to take my bullet journals wherever I go so that I can write things down in them. And I thought it would be fun to have a cover that I could use to put my bullet journals in, something that I could replace the bullet journal as I, ran out of space in a bullet journal. I could put a new journal inside this cover. So this is the cover that we're going to be making, and I will be talking about how to make this cool elastic cover to keep everything inside of it. But then the cover itself is made from a manila folder, but I give you options of other things that you could make it with in the class. We have a fabric spine. We have some eyelets here, and you can see that there's elastic on the inside. So it has pockets on the front and the back. So I have a tall pocket over here with, space for you to put things here. And on the front, I have a wide pocket. And let me just grab one of these pieces of paper so we can take a look at it. I have a wide pocket here that you can put things into. So you can put receipts or lists or notes or, whatever you keep with you while you're scheduling or planning, or, little bits as you go about your day will be right there for you. And then this is actually the bullet journal that I created. So I just made it a very simple bullet journal with paper inside, a stapled cover, and I made it to the size of the journal that I created. So this actually, well, I'll tell you about that in a minute. So the inside, there is elastics to hold your bullet journal. So this is where you could replace it. And I love having a binding like this for something like this, where if I, this lasts me 3 months, then I can just pop it out and put a new one in, or I can keep this in there for the next one. So this, because there's 2 elastics in here, you can actually get 2 of the bullet journals inside of the cover. So that's what we're going to be making. And I'm also, if you do join me for the class, I'm going to be giving away the papers that I used to create it. So these digital papers I designed and created, and let me just kind of go through them. The freebie kit is 11 pages, and I don't have them all here because they're used, but I will show you everything that's in the kit. So I created cover pages. So if you wanted to, you could just cut these out to put on your manila folder to create the cover. And so these are 2 as an option. I also have 2 more, which are these 2 that I've used here in the bullet journal itself. So there's 4 options for a front and a back cover. These are 2, and the 2 more are on it right there. And then I also created those same pages as a full sheet. So you could use this, for example, you could use this for creating a bullet journal, an inside bullet journal if you wanted to. That's what I did with this one. Or you could use this for other projects if you wanted to. You could make tags, you could make note cards from it. You could do a lot of different paper projects with this. So there's 2 pages that are just full digital that you can download and print. And then I also have a page of ephemera. So I have some stamps that I created. There's a couple of different labels that I've created, and then a couple of little note cards where you could add just like a quick to-do list or a quote or something like that. So that's the sort of ephemera sheet that I have there. And then I also have a couple of more full page digitals that you could use for inside covers and things like that. I actually used one of them for the inside cover here and here. And then I have another one that's here. This is a different one that you could use for an inside cover if you wanted to as well. And you can see I've tried to use orchids throughout because I love orchids. They're beautiful. Okay, so I think, oh no, wait, this is one more. So this is one of the covers. This is actually the back cover that I used here that you could just cut out and use. And then I have a couple of pages for pockets. So I have these pockets that make a gusseted pocket. So this is the front of the pocket, and then you use these to fold in. And then I have long strips that you could use to make your long pockets. And then this gives you a lot of options too, because you could just cut this out and use it on the front if you wanted 2 long pockets instead of one horizontal pocket and one vertical pocket there. So there's lots of options there. And then I did another page that I actually used for this one with these long strips and then this horizontal pocket here. And I think that that's it. So there are 11 pages in the freebie that I'm going to give you, and then we're going to make this refillable bullet journal cover at the Creative Retreat Live. So thanks so much for watching, friends. I will put the link to the retreat down below, as well as up in the corner here if you'd like to take a look at that. Sign up. Like I said, it's for free while the retreat is running. I would love to see you there and see you in the comments as we're going through making this bullet journal cover. Thanks so much for watching, friends, and I'll see you in a couple days at Creative Retreat Live. Thanks. Bye-bye.